Okay, so if you're a big fan of Sneak, you will know about the recent Legends drop. I managed to get the couple of tubs and one of the shakers. So in this video, we're going to unbox these, do some taste tests, and let you know what I think of them. Roll the intro. Okay, so this legendary drop was all about kind of celebrating the successful, I guess, launches of some of the key products in Sneak history that's basically enabled Sneak to be quite successful. They had a special box set, which I didn't go for because I didn't really want the box and save myself a couple of pounds. But this is what you would have got if you're successful and what I was fortunate to get. I know a lot of people have been a little bit disappointed because obviously it was limited and stuff went really, really fast. And obviously some people obviously at work and couldn't do different stuff, but I was able to get them. So this is what you get, or what was on offer. I didn't get the hoodie or anything because I don't need that. But we have another Sneak shaker. So this is one of their glow-in-the-dark ones. It was a Halloween release, so you've got this kind of gory kind of thing. Glows really well in the dark. It's very similar related to like these limited edition alien ones that I also have that glow nicely in the dark. And actually this new shaker probably join these in terms of being my favourite, in terms of I like how clear they are and how easy it is to see the levels and stuff. Perhaps I'm getting old and my eyes aren't kind of working so well, but I'm going to use both of those alien shakers for doing the taste test because I haven't had time to wash the new one yet. But this is basically what we have inside the Sneak Unreleased. My understanding is this was basically the product that Sneak brought out as kind of like a last ditch attempt to try and make Sneak successful, and obviously it's worked because they've been around for a little while now. So it's got this little seal that obviously you have to break to be able to get into it, and it's again a sticker type thing that goes around. The rest of the boxing looks quite similar to usual Sneak stuff. So people say that this tastes a bit like Iron Brew. So I haven't had Iron Brew in a long time, but kind of liked it. So we'll obviously check one of these out and do taste test of that in a moment. And then the other one is this one, Blackout. So again, more modern styling compared to the original Unreleased kind of look, but we're familiar with this kind of graphic stuff from Sneak. I think it looks quite familiar, and I understand this is like a dark cherry kind of flavour. So let me get these mixed up and then I'll come back to do the taste test. Okay, so I've mixed the flavours up and we're going to try them. We're going to try Blackout first, I think. So let me just grab the tub, because I didn't do a smell test yet. So the Blackout. And usually that one has got a bit of a cherry smell. I don't know if I'm deciding it's cherry because I know it's going to taste of cherry, but there is a fragrance to this one. And normally I find when I give the tub a bit of a sniff, you can't normally tell. So this is it. The Blackout all mixed up. Actually doesn't really smell too much through the lid there. Oh, but it is a strong cherryish taste. Not really like anything else I've tried before. It's not like Vimto or anything, I don't think. Yeah, pretty good. It's quite subtle. It's not like an overpowering taste or anything. Let's now try the Unreleased. So there is a smell with that one, but again, not giving off any hint of what it's going to taste like. It doesn't smell like an Iron Brewy flavour or anything. Oh, okay. When you open it up, you can smell a sense of something. Oh, it actually tastes a bit soapy. if I'm honest. Oh, it's not terrible, but to my palate, that's definitely not going to be one of my favourites. And yeah, it's got an aftertaste of like a sherbety kind of taste. But yeah, only way I can describe it is a weird soapy taste. It's strange. I have to honestly say, if this was the first sneak flavour that I tried and was the only one available, I probably wouldn't have bought any more sneak. So the fact that this one kind of sealed sneak's success, I guess must be because people with certain taste buds appreciated it. But yeah, that's not for me. And it's been a long time since I had Iron Brew, but I wouldn't say it tastes like Iron Brew either. So yeah, that was the taste test of those legendary pack. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Please consider liking it. I really would appreciate it. And also consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon as well to subscribe to the channel. If you've tried these flavours, perhaps you're a really big fan of the Unreleased. I'd be interested to hear what you think it tastes like. Feel free to leave comments down below and that'd be much appreciated. Cheers for now.